Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.